guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, well, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this holiday inspired makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some eyeshadow primer. I'm using the same one as I always use, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And to apply this, I'm taking my Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply this. I don't even have like any products like sitting in front of me. I have no idea what products I'm gonna use today, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but I was thinking about doing like a simple eyeliner and then like a line with glitter right above it. I just want to keep it simple because I tend to do like a lot of dramatic looks, but most of you don't. I think you won't recreate it, so I want to keep it a little bit more simple today. Then now to set my eyelid, I'm gonna take this light color from the Natasha Denona Sculpt and Glow palette. This is just like a really light neutral color. You can use any powder that you have, which is like kind of the same color as your own eyelids. And I'm just gonna kind of lock the eyeshadow primer in place. Now what I could do is I could use some bronzer to warm up my crease and then create the winged liner, or I can just keep it like this and go straight in with eyeliner. I think I'm just gonna keep the whole eyelid as it is, but if you recreate this look and you do want some warmth in your crease, you can definitely do that. You don't have to do everything that I do. Now for my eyeliner, I'm gonna take this one by Ico. It's called the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner, which is an amazing liquid liner. I've mentioned it in one of my previous videos, as it is one of my favorite eyeliners. It's just super easy to use. So I'm gonna create a winged liner with this one. And I always start with like creating just a simple line above the lash line, and then I create the winged liner. Now if the winged liner didn't really turn out the way you want it to be, you can apply a little bit concealer on the back of your hand and use like a really tiny brush. You can use a concealer brush or a eyebrow brush like I'm using. And I just go right underneath the winged liner to clean up the line. Then now for the next step, I'm going in with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner. I'll be using the shade Glam Rock, which is like a silvery glittery shade, really pretty. And I'm gonna create a line like right above the winged liner that I just applied. You can also apply it on top of your liner, but what I feel personally, I am going in with fake lashes, and I always apply the lashes on top of my eyeliner. And if I would apply the glitter on top of my eyeliner, the lash band is kinda gonna cover it up. So therefore I'm gonna create like a line like right above what we just created. Okay, so the eyeliner is now on. I love how simple this look is, but yet it just has that little bit of glam because of that eyeliner. So I'm now going in with this pencil from Inglot, which is called the Soft Kohl pencil in the shade 01, which is just a simple black pencil. I do have to say I'm not a huge fan of black in my waterline, but I wanted to make this as smoky as possible, and therefore we need black. So I'm going to use this for in my waterline. Then I'm taking the Ico Black Magic Liner again, and I'm gonna use this to also create like a pointy inner corner. So there's gonna be a winged liner, but also a tiny winged liner at the inner corner area. Then now for underneath the lower lash line, I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the Morphe and Jekyll Hill palette. And with a brush from Sweefa in the number 238, and I'm just gonna dip my brush in here. I actually really like this black eyeshadow. It's super black, but it doesn't give a lot of fallout. So with this brush, I'm gonna press it right underneath the lower lash line and also on top of the waterline to make it really black and smoky. This is also the first time I'm gonna apply mascara on my lifted lashes. I'm really curious how that's gonna look. But I'm using my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Benefit or Roller Lash Mascara. I absolutely love this one. And let's see how this is gonna look. Okay, now I think it looks pretty good without fake lashes, but I'm still gonna wear lashes. Like, I just like lashes. They're currently drying. I'm gonna use my own lashes from my own brand, Anytude. These are the style Wary. They're currently drying. I just applied a little bit of lash glue. This style is really pretty. It's like not too dramatic, but also not too natural. And I always use this lash glue, which is from House of Lashes. And it's freaking amazing. I've been using it for years now, and I just love how it makes the lashes like stay in place all day. Now I'm happy that I went for the lashes. I think it looks a lot better this way. So I'm now gonna finish off the rest of my face. I have already applied my foundation, my concealer, my contour. So we're gonna finish off the rest. And I think I'm first gonna bronze up my skin. I'm gonna use this bronzer from MAC, which is in the shade Give Me Sun. And to apply this, I'm taking this brush from Makeup Studio in the number 01. And I'm gonna apply it on my forehead and on my cheekbones. For my highlighter, I'm gonna take this one by Ofra. This is actually a tiny travel version. It's really cute. And this is called Rodeo Drive. It's one of my favorite highlighters by Ofra. I think this shade is just really pretty. I'm taking this Morphe and Jekyll Hill brush in the number G806. And I'm gonna apply the slightest amount. I don't wanna look like really glowy today. So I'm just applying a really tiny amount. Now for my blush, I'm gonna take this palette, which is by Morphe. It's the GB palette. And I'm gonna mix this shade and that one on my brush. I'm using the Sweefa 127 brush, and I'm just gonna dip the brush in both of these colors. Okay, so for my lips, I don't want to go for the usual nude lipstick colors I always go for. I want to do something different. And I also want it to be like Christmas inspired, but I feel like if I would go for a red lipstick, it's so like red lipstick, Christmas. It's kind of like the usual that everyone goes for. So I want to do something different, and I think I might go for this one, which is by Stila. It's called Rico. It's like a reddish, but like a brownie reddish. It's super pretty. But I also have these shades from those of colors, which also looks really pretty, but I think I'm going for this one. I just want to go for something different but not too bold, but also not too natural. So I think this is gonna be the one. And I found this lip pencil from NYX Cosmetics, which is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade, where's the name? It's called Girl Bye, and I think looking at the pencil it looks like the perfect combination. So I'm first gonna use this to overdraw my lips. Okay, so the lip line is on right now. I'm now gonna take that Stila Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Rico, or Rico, not sure how you pronounce it. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. I really like it. The eyes weren't that complicated. I found it really easy, and I was filming and I was like, oh, the eyes are already finished. So it was really easy and quick to do. Also, I like the combination of the dark lip that makes it really, I don't know, it just gives me that kind of holiday vibe ID. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys like how it turned out as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and if you guys have any requests for my next upcoming videos, definitely let me know in the comments, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!